hold the thing?
No, I'm determined.
You can't row with that, it's in there. You won't get anywhere. I'll tell you what, I'll put these closer.
No,
right?
get off, I'm going to do it.
Right, forward. Right, I'm going to pull you a bit forward a bit more. Now, don't look.
I stop.
Right. Left, 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 left. Up, up. Yes, got two. No, not trauma.
Did you have your eyes closed?
You really mustn't look. I ought to have something to colour it with eyes over.
Are you filming?
Yeah.
Right.
I want to see you
Come on,
catch
forward.
some.
You really mustn't look. Betsy, you won't get... Go on then. Ow! Right, now look the other way, please. No, right, down in the water. Left. No, back a bit, back a bit, back a bit. No, down in the water, down in the water. Left, 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 left. Up! Yay!
That's cheating if I do that. Push me.
No, because you've got to get this one.
Push me that.
You got to get that. You got to get that one. All right, go on then. No, look at me. Turn around the other way. Go on, go up, go up. No. Down.
I tried not.
No, you're looking.
I thought.
Oh, you've hooked one, eh?
No.
Look the other way. Look the other way. Now go forward. Go left. Go left. Go left. Up. Up.
Look at that one.
Left. To your left. Shut your eyes. All right, you go.
Without anything else.
You'll be peeking though. I bet you look. No.
I found that one.
Behind your head. Behind your head. No. Right. Hang on a minute, I'm going to push you. I'm going to push you. Now to the right.